Today I will be showing you how to make vinyl letters, and you can put them on your wall, on your windows, wherever you want to put them. Here's the letter E, and it already has the strong grip attached to it. It's the letter E, and I'm going to show you how to make letters and apply them to your wall. Okay, so the material that you will need, this here is a permanent vinyl. This is not the DTF vinyl that you iron on your clothes. This is a permanent vinyl. And this vinyl, bring it closer, has a shimmer. It says permanent vinyl and it has a shimmer look to it. I got it at Hobby Lobby, $5.99. Y'all know I'm on a budget. This is a black shimmer vinyl. This is the other side. Now, when you lay this down on your grip pad, you always lay it down with the paper down. The paper sticks to the grip pad, and this side is up. All right? And you're also going to need strong grip. This is transfer paper. Strong grip. Make sure it says strong grip on it, because that's what you need. They have other transfer paper that is not strong grip, but for this project you need strong grip. And this is what the transfer paper looks like. This is it right here. See that? It's strong because it's holding on to my hand. That's how strong it is. And you're going to need a cutter. This is a Cricut cutter. This works better than scissors, because when you're cutting your paper, you want to make sure that you get a nice, smooth, sharp cut. With the scissors, it might not be a straight line. So if it's not a straight line, it's not smooth, then that means you're wasting your vinyl. So that's why it's good to have a cutter. You don't have to necessarily be a Cricut cutter, but just make sure you have a cutter. All right, so I have to create letters on the Cricut machine. Create your letters on the Cricut machine. This letter is, I'm gonna give you the size, 9 by 11. The width of it is a 9. The length is 11. Like that. All right, so you pick out the font that you want. I don't recall what font that is. It's not the college font, but it's a thick looking font. Pick out the font that you want in Cricut. Write out your word. This word is going to be Elevate. Write out your word, and then just take one letter, ungroup it. Ungroup your word. Take one letter at a time and stretch it out to 9 inches wide, 11 inches long. Do one letter at a time, and then send that one letter to your Cricut, and Cricut will cut it out on this vinyl sheet. Oh, also, what I'm going to do, since I already did the first letter, I'm going to use this, because this is a 9 by 11. So I'm going to use this, and I'm just going to place it on top of here. I'm going to put it on this place. I'm going to place it on, I'm going to use it as my measuring tool. So I'm going to cut here, and then I'm going to place it on my mat. That way I don't have to put this whole thing on my mat. I don't want to put the whole thing on there because it's black, and when it's time for me to cut it, it's hard to see where to cut it. So that's why I'm doing it like this. This is a tip. So after the first one was done, I just took this from the first one. I'm going to put it up here, and I'm going to slice it right across. So I'm able to get well, 4 count E. I'm able to get 4 letters off of this one roll. So I have to go back and get another roll because I need a few more letters. Okay, so I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, but this fourth one might be a little bit too small, so I probably just went over a little bit on each one, but it's okay because I know I got to get another roll anyway. All right, so I'm going to do 2 more letters here. Also, you will need a pair of scissors because sometimes the cutter, whatever cutter machine that you're using, whether it's a Cricut, Cameo, whatever one you're using, sometimes the blade might not be sharp enough or it might not cut your letter all the way. So sometimes you might have to take the scissors and just snip it a little bit. This is a weeder. You might need this weeder to help lift it or separate it from the paper. You can use it here and just pull this apart, so it helps there. And then I have this gadget here. I'm not sure what this is called, if they call it a spatula, but you will use this to press down the strong grip onto the vinyl. It helps. You would smooth it out. You would smooth this out. See this here? When you put this plastic grip over top of this letter, you want to make sure it's smooth. You want to make sure it don't have no waves in it. You want to make sure there's no bubbles. You want to make sure that it's sticking to the transfer tape. You want to make sure. You know what? I wasn't trying to apply it to my table, but it comes right up. All right, so I'm going to go over to my cutter, put this on my Cricut, and I'm going to cut out another letter. All right, so this is the paper side. This is the side that goes down on your sticky your sticky grip pad, your grip pad. You just lay it on down there, and I have this tape on there because I need a new pad or I need to clean it. So the tape keeps it from moving, which, to be honest, I don't think this would move, but my other stuff, my other vinyl will move. All right, so you just put that on there. So yeah, I did cut just a tad bit long because it's past 12, it's down to 13. So if you want to put your whole roll on here, you can. It's up to you. Keep you from wasting paper if you cut the wrong size. And you just place it up there. Okay, since I already cut out the first E, I'm just going to run it again because I need 3 E's. So I'm just going to cut out the next E. Oh, and also make sure you apply more pressure because the first cut will not cut through this. When I did the first one, I had to recut it because I needed more pressure. So make sure you do that. Apply more pressure. And you do not have to mirror your letters. You don't have to reverse your letters. See how fast that was? Alright, so you erase it. Take this tape off of it. Like that. Take this off. And you can't see it because it's really dark, and that's why I decided to cut mine, because I couldn't, to be honest with you, I couldn't see where the letter ended. So that's why I cut it. But it's up to you. As you do it, you'll be able to see what I meant. And then you have to separate it here, so I'm trying to do that. Maybe I just bend it back like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like after you get the extra vinyl off of it. Then you're going to take your strong grip transfer paper, and it's going to go over top of this.
So I'm going to put this over top. I'm measuring it. All right, so when it goes on my cutter, I'm gonna cut just enough to go over it. All right, so I cut that. It should be just enough. Now I have to peel this. Looking for my all right, so all you do, you just put it up on your wall. And this is why, you know, they call it strong. Okay, so after this is all taken off and it's smoothed out, it looks good. It came out good. It's sticking to the wall. If you like it, give it thumbs up. And thank you for coming to my channel, All Things Washington. Have a good night and subscribe. Thank you. God bless. Now, if you want to remove the letter off the wall, because you don't have it in the right spot, you just put the strong grip back over top of it. You put it back over top and make sure you go over it so it sticks back to the strong grip. And then you're going to take it off the wall. But just be gentle with it.